Did you put yourself in a pickle, baby girl? Rookie mistake, sitting. My friend's cleaning in the background. That's what you hear, the hissing sound, folks.
Sorry, can we stop?
No. Just identifying the noise for the people. They're more interested in the puppies, I'm sure. Now look out the window. There's our Kara. She's mad because we're cleaning in here when she's not allowed in. And we'll go around to the other area. And see how good Rennie's doing? Hey, Ren. How's my beautiful little bird? She's eating well. She's pooping finally. And she's drinking and is more active and asking to go outside. So she's doing great. All your thoughts and prayers and love really work, folks. Bye.